Assalamualaikum, I'm Amin Faisal and this is the presentation for the final group project for CSC126. So my group members consist of me, Azim, Mohammed and Furqan. So these are the table of contents and we start off with the project summary. So our system is a task manager that is a comprehensive digital solution to assist task management and enhance productivity for individuals. This system provides an intuitive interface for creating, organizing and tracking tasks, ensuring that users can manage their workloads efficiently and to avoid submitting tasks overdue. Without a task manager, users face disorganization and poor time management leading to missed deadlines. The lack of accountability results in inconsistent follow-ups and inefficient workflows. Additionally, users will experience the increasing of stress, limited reporting capabilities, and scalability issues all of which may result to reduced productivity and effectiveness. So our project objective is users can organize and manage their tasks to the user's liking. Users can plan their time by adding tasks or descriptions to the task manager. User can set deadlines and time goals to accomplish the task efficiently. And user can track tasks by giving a mark to selected tasks and keep track of their goal. And users are able to set current date to the task manager and the deadline dates for the selected task or all the tasks at once. When the deadline is close to the current date, the program will issue a warning to ensure task completion. Then the program could calculate the payment if the user selects the option to become a member, with the benefits of unlimited task input. Users can also see the task statistic on which is the highest task priorities and the average time and etc.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Wamin. Today I want to talk about function declaration. First, we need to set, include and declare all functions that are designed to complete a specific task of the program inside of the main function. For example, include IOStream, include string, include CSTDLib, include CLimits. For the function, we need to declare outside of the main function. For example, void display task, add task, mark task, remove task, calculate static account task, total duration, pay membership, is membership active, get current date, add month to date, compare date, calculate day between dates. Next, I want to talk about main for our final group project. First, we need to declare variable inside integer main and use loop do while. Upon running the program, you are greeted with a menu where you can choose an action like number 1, display your task, number 2, insert a new task, number 3, mark a task, number 4, remove a task, number 5, show statistic, number 6, subscribe for a membership, and number 7 is exit. You simplify and enter the number corresponding to your choice, and the system will guide you through the respective process. This program have a data storage. Tasks are stored in array which allow us to manage them easily. Like description, store the task description. Duration, store the time required to complete each task. Priorities, store the priority level of each task. Deadline, store the deadline for each task. This is a sample of output for our main. Next, this is the switch case, a selection control structure where it took the user input and it will proceed the program depending on the user input.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Furqan ID. This one is the function for our program. Display task will display all the tasks with their description, duration, priorities, and deadlines. It also show how many days are left until the deadline, or if the task is past its deadline. This one is the example for the function, as you can see. This one for the next page. This one is a sample of the output. As you can see, this one the example for output. You are not a member, you only can put add up to 10 tasks. Number 1 is display your task, number 2 is set a new task, mark task, remove a task, show statistic, subscribe for a membership, and easy. And then we go to the next slide. This one also a function. Add task will allow the user to add a new task to the list. It includes input validation and task description, duration, priorities, and deadline. And remember a limit to adding up to 10 tasks. And this one is also example for a function. And this one we continue with a loop, continue with loop as task. And then this one is a sample of the output. This one also a sample of the output, invalid input.
Hello, my name is Azim Farhan, and I will be talking about mark task function. For the mark task function, we will begin with the mark task function with mark user, task is done, and if user enter an invalid number, meaning the number of tasks that is not in the list, then it will display an invalid task number. Then the mark task function allow users to mark task as completed. This is done by appending the string completed to the description of the task. The function helps user keep track of which tasks have been completed and which are still pending. After that, we will create the sample of output as you can see. And here is the remove task function. The remove task function allows user to delete a task from the system. It shift all subsequent tasks one position up in the array, effectively removing the specific task and maintaining the order of the remaining tasks.
I want to talk about function calculate statistic. Calculate statistic will calculate and return the average duration of tasks, the highest priority and the lowest priority of the task in the list. It is the function of calculate statistic. It is the process, and here have a function count task and total duration. The calculate statistics function provide an overview of the task, calculating the average duration, highest priority and lowest priority among all tasks. This function is useful of users who want to analyze their tasks and improve their time management.
Back with me, this one is the function of the pay membership. Pay membership will handle the process of subscribing to a membership, including calculating to the total price based on the number of months and updating the membership status expiry date. This one, as you can see, this one is an example for the program. This one is sample of the output.
Next one is membership active function will check if the membership is still active by comparing the current date with the membership expiry date. And then the forget current date function, this will extract month, day, and year from the date, which is date is as we all remember, date is used to set the date for today for the time that the user uses the program. So we use date, which is a built-in C++ function to print out the date for today, and then we set the date for today as date. And then this will extract the month, a day, and year from date, and then it will convert month abbreviation to number. So if the month is Jan, then it will convert it into 1. If the month is February, then it will convert it into 2. And then it will format the date as day, month, and year format. So then we could display it as day, month, and year. And then this is a sample of output when the user paid for a membership or register as a membership. Then here it says that the user is a member and the user can add more than 10 tasks. The next function is add month to date function, will adds a specified number of months to a given date and returns the new date. And this function is really important because, for example, if the date for today is 12th of December 2024, and then I want to renew my subscription for 2 months, and then of course it is not logical if my month is becoming 14 because there is no such thing as the 14th month. Alright, so this is why this function will check if the month is bigger than 12, then the month will be minus to 12, and then if I added 2 just now, then my month will be 14, and then it will be minus 12, and then it will increase the year. Into increment of 1 year, and then like I said, if I renew my subscription for 2 months in 12th of December 2024, and then my subscription will be valid until 12th of February 2025. And then this printf function, scanf and printf function is used to scanf is used to pass the function, pass the date into day, month, and year. And then printf function is used to format the output into becoming day, month, and year. So the user could understand the output. As for the next two functions, actually quite easy to understand. So compare dates will compare 2 dates and returns an integer indicating which date is earlier. As you can see here, this is how the code goes. And like I said, scanf is used to pass the date format. And then calculate days between dates will calculate the number of days between 2 dates. So these will calculate days between dates. So then we could see how much comparison of the date does these 2 dates have.
So this is the discussion or conclusion. We begin with discussion and conclusion. The task manager system is particular C++ program designed to help users to get care of their tasks. This task manager is a well-organized program that uses array to store task data, control structure to manage the program flow, loops for repeating tasks, and functions to keep the code modular and easy to manage. Then the design is user-friendly and flexible, so the user can use it so easily. Right. Then it helps user to manage their tasks effectively. Also, arrays make it simple to store and access task option. The function also help keep the code organized and reusable, making the program easy to maintain and expand. Overall, this program is a great example of how to use C++ features to create a useful and efficient task management system. Right. So the last conclusion is the task manager is the leverage the power of C++ to provide comprehensive task management by effectively using arrays, control structure, loops, and function. It also uses all the elements in C++ to make this task manager system. It also ensures a seamless and efficient user experience. This program not only demonstrates the practical application of fundamental C++, but also serves as a robust tool for task manager. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this presentation has given you valuable insights into the task manager system. Thank you.